Welcome to Prime Villas DHA City, located right here in Sector 1. We are on ground to bring you an exclusive look at our rapid development progress. We have successfully completed initial soil testing, comprehensive topography analysis, and accurate boundary demarcation to lock in our exact engineering reference points. Major milestones are being achieved daily. Land filling is actively in progress. Our internal road network is taking shape with ongoing filling and compaction, and field density testing is fully underway to ensure maximum structural integrity. The foundation of your premium lifestyle is being built right now. For more details regarding your booking, visit our website or call us today.